Dear viewers, today I want to show you how to design a dormer and a roof skylight in Chief Architect in a few simple clicks. So if you're doing this with perhaps ArchiCAD and maybe other softwares, it may take you a lot of effort, but this is the advantage of Chief Architect. And be able to do this complex design without any hassle. So in this is an example. I want to remove this roof. Let me select similar. So I'll select by roof pitch. Okay, delete. Then I can delete those. So I'll go to this floor level. So this is my floor plan. I want to focus on only the roof and the skylight and the dormer. So I'll first go and do the automatic roof. So I'll click build roof, auto build. So the roof will be, there are many styles. So the default is hip roof. This is the roof that I'm going to model. Now the roof has been modeled. So you can select again similar. Again, I'll select by roof pitch. Okay. Now I want to move this to the next to the floor above. So you can see this icon display on the floor above. Yes. Now this is the roof. This is the attic level. If for example, if you go to this, you can be able to see. If you go to the orthographic full view, you can see. Because I don't have NVIDIA graphics, I'm going just to use this style to display my 3D model view, because unless I install external graphic, I don't have that currently. So I want us now to do the dormer. Now there are several options. Auto dormer, there are two types of dormers, that is auto floating dormer and auto dormer. So for the first option, you can just let me first double click to change the properties. Okay, maybe I can insert a dormer here. You can see this warning. The dormer does not meet base roof, probably near the top roof. May need to lower the dormer roof pitch. So I will do that. Change the pitch to maybe 1 or 2. Still, the warning persists. So the other option is to increase the roof pitch of this particular roof. So I'll change the roof pitch from 6. Maybe let's go to properties. I'll use a pitch of about 8 in 12. Again, okay. Now you can just delete this dormer and model it again. The floating auto dormer, that's the first type of dormer. Okay. Now if I go to this view file, we're going to use export PDF to view our dormer. Here is our dormer. So you can change this dormer from shed to hip. There are different types of dormers. So that I change to hip. Okay, then let's view. Let's have this view. No, not this one. I want to I want us to view the rendered 3D view. So we can view from maybe this side. File, export. Can view from that side. File. Okay, you can see the preview of how the DOMA looks like. The DOMA we have just inserted. So that's the first type of DOMA. You can change. There are several types. You can change to eyebrow. Then let's change it again, or let us view that elevation again. File, export. This is how the eyebrow looks like. If we go to full view, okay, so just cancel. Now change it back to hip. Gable. Now we're going to model the next type of DOMA, which is, let's go active. You can either activate roof tool, then you can see the other type of DOMA is auto DOMA. Now for this type of DOMA, we need first to model our we need a wall that will support that side. So just ignore the warning and then again activate roof tool, activate DOMA. You need to change this one to shade. It's already shade. And then can change the roof pitch, let's say 0. Okay. Just ignore that warning. Okay. Now this one you can just edit, drag it to the required dimension. You can just edit the dimension by clicking. Then let's say it's about 20 feet. Then we will center. You can see this option, center the object. So we center it. You can center about that point, about that, or we can center it using this option, point to point, maybe from this point to that point. So that is the center, and then hit enter in your keyboard. Ignore that. Okay. Again, we can view this elevation. For example, let's just view this elevation. So I'll activate this. Okay. Okay, don't save. So ignore that warning, just saying that we don't have NVIDIA graphics. Um, so I'll I'll delete this. Okay, already we have this wall. So just activate this DOMA. Okay, now just want to repeat the process. Drag it, let's say 20 feet, enter. And then we're going to center it. Going to center about 2 points, about that point and that point. This side, hit enter. Ignore that. Okay, now the next thing is I will drag this. There's a window here. So if you go, if you check from that, the elevation from that side, go to File, Export PDF. You can see we need to copy this window all the way. So I will do that. So just select. We need to place copies, multiple copies. I can double click. You can change the dimension. Maybe it's now currently 48. Let's say 46. Okay. Up to there. So let's check this elevation. Okay. So we need again to center these windows on this DOMA. I will just select that, holding control, select all of these. Then we are going to center from points, from this point, that point, hit enter, ignore that, then okay. So this window are centered. So the next thing is perhaps we can, let's first view the 3D. If I go to File, Export, this is our 3D, look like this. There are these skylights. So this is the DOMA. We have these skylights. How do you model those within just few simple steps? I just need again to activate roof tool, and then you're going to see option for skylight. So you can double click to change the settings. Maybe I want a 4x4 skylight. You can change the shape. You can change components, etc. Okay. So I'm going to place my skylight here and there. You can place another skylight maybe at that point. So again, let's view how the 3D looks like. So I'll go to 3D window, and then because I don't have those graphics, I can just view using generating PDF. So you can see how now my roof looks with this dormer and skylight. We can add the other floating dormer at this point, maybe at this point. Out of floating dormer, just change these dimensions. Change this one to from shed to gable. I want to change this to 2. If it does not work, you can simply increase the pitch of roof. So I will select with pitch, then go to settings. It's already 8. And use 12 in 12. Then add a floating dormer. Maybe at that point. Okay, or at that point, and also maybe at that point. So this one, change it to from gable to hip, and add another dormer, floating dormer. At that point, I will change this type to curved eave. So let us view that elevation. Okay, that is how you can do this in Chief Architect. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe, like, share. Unfortunately, I don't have a laptop that can do allow me to have those graphics, so I'm limited. But I hope, God willing, soon I'll be able to have a better laptop which can allow me to do that. So keep on supporting my channel, subscribing. You're the reason why we are able to do all this. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.